Welcome to GCCars, and my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a highway POV test drive in this 2022 Kia EV6 long range all-wheel drive for the GT-Line Package 2. So as of right now, this is the top spec, and yeah, we're just gonna test all the driving assist. And as you can see the HUD right now, I just enabled the navigation so you can see the HUD. We should be able to see it at least. Pointing to the right, you get this augmented reality head-up display, which is really neat, with little arrows and all that. And yeah, anyhow, in this POV test drive, like I said, we're gonna test the assist systems like the adaptive cruise control and the lane centering and all that. But if you want to hear all my thoughts about this Kia EV6, make sure to click on the top right hand corner for my full review, where we talk about the interior, the exterior, we drive it plenty, and of course we compare it to the likes of the Mach-E and the Ioniq 5. Anyhow, let's merge onto the highway. It's always a bit of a weird on-ramp because you have the express lane starting up top. Anyhow, let's start adaptive cruise control. You can see it shows us which cars it has seen, and we're gonna set this up in speed. Get a bit faster, please. There you go. I want to enable the lane centering. Okay, so of course this is a semi-autonomous system. It is not meant for you to fully hand over controls to the car, but if I take off my thumbs, you know that I'm not giving any input, just so you can see what it's doing. For me, it might not be perfectly lined up for you because of course this is set up for my eyes, the head-up display, but it displays like a little turquoise line underneath the car in front, so I know, and I get the visual confirmation, okay, this is the car it recognizes. And yep, and let's see how it steers around a corner. As you can see, it does a very good job of actively centering itself within the lanes. Now it already slows down a little bit, seeing okay, the truck in front of us isn't as quick as we are, so it goes very smooth in between the cars. Other systems kind of speed up a lot and then brake when they arrive at the back of the car in front, but this one is very smooth. Well, we want to manually pull, actually it's an automatic lane change, right? Sorry, I forgot you can do this. There we go. Automatic lane change right there, and then it shows us once again, okay, we can go ahead. So let's try that once more. This time I'm prepared. And this time it's not doing it. There we go. Okay. Like I said, semi-autonomous system. It's always kind of like a little weird jumping in between. Okay, it takes control, you take control. I still love this system. I still use it plenty of times. But it's just something to keep in mind. But no, it works very well. I just had less time with this Kia than I usually have, unfortunately. So I have less time to get familiar with it and less time to produce content with it. But it works very well. That's the takeaway you want to have here. Anyhow, I'm just going to stay quiet for a minute or two, give you the opportunity to listen to how this is to drive on the highway. And you don't want to turn off, do you? No, you don't. And turn off the indicator, my man. Oh, now you want to turn left. Okay. Anyhow, I'll stay quiet. Enjoy the sounds and sights. Okay, so that will conclude our highway POV test drive in the 2022 Kia EV6 all-wheel drive long range. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope it gave you a bit more insight, and like I said, everything they demonstrated to you, it's a semi-autonomous system. You have to keep your hands on the steering wheel all the time. I just wanted to make sure that you see what the car is doing and what I am doing. Anyhow, the review should be somewhere on your screen right now, so make sure to check that out. And if you liked it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more weekly videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.